Fuck that shit. You are now watching the Jair and Sutra show.
Live with no hoes. Just two big 6-foot bros. Tight toes, know how to flow. Have a seat, pack a bowl. Oh, there goes the beat, go. I'm got to get up and have myself a flow. Pour myself a couple of dope ass beats. Pack a fucking bowl and have yourself a seat. I don't give a fuck if there's no TP. Just take a fucking pee-pee, wipe it on the wall. See, everybody knows how to take a fucking shit, but you don't know how the fuck to flow like this, bitch. Cause I got a dope fucking sick kind of style. Make a bitch smile, keep her for a while. Even though I got my own flowing in her home, she might not be home for a couple hours or so, but I won't do her like that. I have my homie fuck that bitch from the back and keep her fat. Keep her fat tits out of my sight. I like booty, your tits are alright, but I don't give a fuck, we fucking dope. Like the shit we smoke, it's so fucking rope.
So dope, we singing dope on 7th and Hope, straight out of my coat. Yeah, you got no hope when you wanna come through. Messing with the wrong crew, yes it's us too. G.I. Sutra, coming through, we are the motherfucker future. Not odd, kinda like them boss. We doing the shit like a hog, like a dog. Snipers and pogs, rocking the beats, rocking the streets. We 2-6 motherfuckers from the southeast. Beast in the beauty. We ain't got no beauty, but we are the beast. No house for lease, no house for rent. I got a car full of dents, time to repent, invent the dent dinger. I'm the singer, he's the binger. Coming through like this, ringer.
Ringer.
Take it.
That bitch was a dead fucking ringer. I don't give a fuck. I'll be the lead singer. Bust it in the butt just to have a finger in a fucking cunt. As I fuck her up, John comes in with a fat uppercut.
We getting nasty. He's about to pass me by. We getting real high in the 4th of July. Brought it. Lost Nichols Park is where we did it. After dark, that's when we took a spark. 12 years old. Nobody told. Yeah, right. My sister told my mom that night. We getting high. We doing it so right, so tight since 1, 2, 12. Way back then.
Who knows the fucking number? Don't give a fuck, get high, have a slumber party. I don't give a fuck, we ever hardly stood the night at our own path. We was lying, saying I was sleeping here, but I was trying. Get a fat bitch, and he was too. We fuck a fat bitch, maybe even two if we was lucky. Niggas couldn't even fucking touch me. I got reached like a fucking newborn puppy.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, flow. We coming through the dough. Since back then, 2004. -5, we getting high, so alive. If you do the math, that's 99. Yes, we getting so sick. Age 24, 25, 23, don't sick? No. Yeah, right, my name ain't Ho. My name ain't Joe when I came to flow. I ain't no Frazier, coming through like a major, not a minor. Oh, so, wine and diner. Wasn't born in China, feeling kinda finer. Yeah,
there
right.
you go, motherfucking man. He can't touch me, god damn it if he can. He couldn't love me like he can. Cause you're a girl, he's a guy that's kinda gay. I ain't down with that, I ain't homo, no flow. It's so dope when I go. Everybody knows how to touch your toes. Everybody knows that you're a fat hoe. I'ma fucking finish it off with a fucking takeoff. Blast off into infinity and beyond.
Tell when you say fuck, who do you want to say fuck you to?
I wanna say fuck you to my fucking ugly fat neighbors downstairs.
Oh, damn, you got
And
racial
that
in
nasty
that shit.
ass old man that be fucking pissing everywhere and shit.
It's the last day of 2011, and we're doing it.